Welcome to Bad Food Blog, and for lunch today I'm going to be trying this, which is a Ginsters Smoky Steak and Guinness Slice. So this is a Ginsters slice that contains Guinness. That's a lot of G words. So have a look at the packet. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah, I might take that for a photo. Oh, there, perfect. There we go. Looks nice. Mmm. Oh look, there's a little picture of a man on the back. Apparently he is nobody. Oh no, he's called Chris Eden. He's the head chef. Born in Cornwall. British steak. Okay, well let's give this a try. I'm going to eat it the way I normally do, which is just tear the packet open, pull it out. Looks exactly like every other slice. There used to be pasties, I guess, once upon a time, but now they're just like amorphous pockets of stodge. Mmm. Mmm. Can't really taste any Guinness. Not sure what the evidence is that there's Guinness in this. I'm surprised people even think Guinness exists. Yep, no Guinness. There may be some Guinness in it, I just can't taste it. Maybe it's my failing. Where's the Guinness? Even though I eat bad food, I pride myself on having a good sense of taste. But I got no flavour of Guinness from this at all. There may be some colouring in there to make it darker. I don't see Guinness on the ingredients list. I see yeast extract. That's essentially Marmite. So yeah, there's no Guinness in it. Right there in black and white, no Guinness. It says Guinness, 4%. Can't taste it. It does actually say it just there, whoops. Can't taste it at all. Apparently 4% Guinness, no flavour at all. Oh well. I guess it is what it is. It's a quite nice, you know, it just tastes like a steak slice. Last bit, done.